How to restore Snapchat streak. In this video, I will guide you through the entire process of how can you easily restore streaks on Snapchat. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to settings and under support, click on I lost my streak. Now go through each description provided by Snapchat under this category and follow these steps accordingly. Even after reading all these guides, your problem is not yet solved, then again go to I need help under support category. There you will need to choose I lost my streak and then you will be directed to a page where you need to fill out a form. By clicking on fill out this form, you will see the form below the screen. There you need to provide your Snapchat details and details of your problem. Now use the description box to provide as much as detail possible of your problem and Snapchat will soon provide solution to it. And that's it. That is how you can restore streak on Snapchat. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.